Let's go! We opening cards today. Opus Year 9. We unboxing in. Lion guy.
Lucci.
We got
Rob
two.
Lucci.
We already got 2 lion guys. This is good.
Bakit? Tingin dito. Oh yeah! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Yes! Parallel Art Roger! Yes! Akala ko manga daw. Muntik na maging manga. Huh? Yes! Yes! Swerte ng kuha mo! Swerte ng pick mo! Roger!
It was insane. Fucking good. Like this.
Uy! Nice! Nice! Parallel art na naman!
Yeah, backlog.
Parallel art na naman!
Oh yeah, just in case, just to know, I also got this.
Siya namili. May isa, Alphonse chose the path.